Good morning, students. Today we will be doing converting of smaller unit into bigger unit. Earlier we had done conversion of bigger unit into smaller unit and we were multiplying for that. Now today we will learn how to convert centimeter into meter. All of you know that 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. So when we are converting 200 centimeter, so what we have to do here, बच्चे? We will divide 200 by 100. We get here 2. So 200 centimeter is equal to 2 meters. Similarly, 1100 centimeter we will convert into meter. We divide 1100 by 100. We get here 1100 divided by 100 is 11. That is 1100 centimeter equal to 11 meter. Now see beta, here we are having in another example 8500 centimeter, that is 8500 centimeter, and we want to convert this into meter. So we will divide 8500 by 100. We get here 85. So it is equal to 85 meter. Now next I will show you how we will convert meter into kilometers. Meter is a smaller unit, kilometer is a bigger unit. All of you know that 1000 meter is equal to 1 kilometer. So children, all of you see, bete 5000 meter, if we are converting to kilometer, we divide 5000 by 1000. We will get 5. So 5000 meter is equal to 5 kilometer. Now next example, see here. It is 43,000 meter. We convert to kilometer. We divide 43,000 by 1000. We get here 43. So 43,000 meter is equal to 43 kilometer. Now next is 81,000 meter. Now 81,000 meter. Next is 51,000 meter. Now 51,000 meter, if we are converting to kilometer, we divide 51,000 by 1000. So we get here 51. It is 51 kilometer. Now next I will explain you how we will convert centimeter into meter and centimeter. Now if it is a whole number, all of you know we divide, supposing it is 300 centimeter, we want to convert into meter, we simply divide by 100 and we get here 3 meter. But if it is 326, so the remaining 26 becomes centimeter. So answer will become 3 meters and 26 centimeter. Similarly, if I want to convert meter into kilometer and meter, if it is 8000 meter, so 8000 meter we want to convert to kilometer, we simply divide by 1000 and get 8 kilometer. But if 24 is also there, this 24 will become meter. So answer will become 8 kilometer and 24 meter. I will explain you question number 1 here. Convert into meter and centimeter. Now A part of the question, you see all of you, what we have here is 700 centimeter. I want to convert this into meter and centimeter. So we will write here 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter and 700 centimeter is equal to 700 divided by 100. So if I divide by 100, what do I get here? See all of you, both are having 2 zeros. I can just write the table of 1. So 7 times 1 is 7 and 2 zeros. So what do I get here? It is 7. So whatever is in the quotient, that becomes our meter, and whatever will be the remainder, that is our centimeter. Since there is no remainder, so only 7 meters the answer. I will explain you now G part of the question. In G part, it is, now it is in the G part 5260 centimeter. Now children, you see, we will write here 100 centimeter, all of you know, is equal to 1 meter. So 5260 centimeter is equal to 5260 divided by 100. Now when we are dividing by 100, all of you see, we can count the table of 1 simply because there are 2 zeros, and you see 5 times 1 is 5 and 2 zeros, that means 5 times hundreds are 500. After subtraction we get here 226. We bring 0, it becomes 260. So 2 times 100 is 200. We get here 60. Now there is no number here, 60 is the remainder. So answer becomes 52. This is your quotient. This is meter, and 60 is the remainder. It becomes your centimeter. Thank you, students. You can do question number 1, all the parts, and if you have any doubt, then you may ask your concerned teacher.